Hello, today we will guide you through how to turn off dark mode in Claude AI. If your Claude interface is currently set to dark mode and you'd prefer a brighter look, this is a quick setting to change. We'll walk through exactly where to find it and what to select so you can switch your display back to light mode without any confusion. To begin, open Claude in your web browser. Make sure the page is fully loaded so all of the navigation options are visible. If you're already signed in, you should land on the main Claude screen where you can access your account options and settings. Once you're on the Claude page, look to the bottom left area of the screen. This is where your profile section appears. Click on your profile to open the account menu. If you don't immediately notice it, take a moment to scan the lower left corner carefully, since that's where Claude places profile-related controls. After the menu opens, select Settings. This will take you to the area where Claude stores your general preferences and interface options. Settings is the place to go whenever you want to adjust how Claude looks or behaves, so it's useful to remember this location for future changes as well. When you're inside Settings, look for the appearance control that lets you manage dark mode. To turn dark mode off, switch it to light mode by selecting the sun icon. The sun icon represents the light theme, and choosing it will change the interface from a dark background to a brighter one. As soon as you make that selection, the change should apply right away. You should see the overall Claude interface update immediately, giving you a lighter screen appearance that may feel easier to read in bright environments or during daytime use. If the screen doesn't seem to update at first, give it a second to refresh visually. In most cases, the change happens instantly, but a brief pause can sometimes happen depending on your browser or connection, and that's all it takes to turn off dark mode in Claude AI. Open Claude, click your profile in the bottom left, go to Settings, and switch the theme to light mode using the sun icon. Once you know where this option lives, it only takes a few seconds to change it anytime you want.